Welcome back to MSR Tech tutorial. Today we will see how to convert drawing document into PDF. So this is our answer. We need to plot this diagram as a PDF. So for this, from your keyboard, just click Ctrl P. It will open one pop-up window like this. You just select the printer name here, drawing to PDF. Click here. Then paper size should be ISO A4 in landscape. Then here we have a plot area. You just click window here. It will be show like this and select the area whatever you are going to take a printout. Click here. Then click the preview. So our diagram it should be the and click print. It's converting. Just select the location and type the print name and save it. Right now it's converting. So finally our document should be converted drawing into PDF. That's all. Thank you.